Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm in London.
My name is Azhar.
Yeah.
I'm driving instructor in London as well.
Yes, we were start together since 2016 sometimes, yeah. And now Mr. Azhar, he is in here. I just call him and then I want to do video here to show our YouTube followers the London exam routes. And then he said, yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, guys, if you need any help in London, Ontario, so our friend instructor Mr. Azhar is here and he is ready to help you guys. So before you start, please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and I know you guys watching and you are not subscribing. I know, I see that. Please click this button. You guys getting benefit from this video, please help us. Just click subscribe button. Okay, my friend, how are you?
I am good. I am good.
Okay, so this is London exam routes. Parking lot is here. DriveTest Centre is there, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So you're gonna put the car here.
Yeah. So as usual, you have to come half an hour before, and you park your car in one of those spots. It's better to park reverse, so when you start is easy for you. Then you go there and register, and you need the spot number and the information about your car, the color, the made, the plate number, and then you will get a ticket from the kiosk there, and then just come back and stay here waiting for the examiner.
When the examiner comes to you,
as usual, you have to open your window, and he will ask you about your license. Yes,
show your license, your name, your date of
birth.
Yeah,
and then he will check the safety in the car.
Yes,
he will go in the front and tell you, give me signal left, right. In the back as well, the brake light and the
right and left,
and the horn, right and left, and horn. Yeah. And then he will sit here.
Yeah, yesterday one of my old students going G, he has 22 something Kia. The horn didn't work.
Oh,
yes.
And then
the examiner didn't take the G.
Oh.
Yeah, they can. Yeah.
So it's very important to check everything one day before your test, actually.
Yeah. And then after that, examiner is gonna ask you two questions. Do you wear glass contact?
Oh, do you wear glass contact?
And do you have any medical problem?
Any medical problem.
After that, examiner said, "Yalla, let's go." They don't say "Yalla," but
you start. Yes.
Let's go. Okay.
Let's start.
And then you're gonna show the exam routes here, and also tips and tricks for our.
Yes. There is very important point here actually. Before you start, I want to.
Yes, sure.
Here, but I think we have to drive. I want to show you the stop sign there. Yes. So we need to drive that side to show you. Yes.
So G2 drivers, they don't do reverse parking, right?
No,
they don't ask. So I'm moving.
So you start here, check left, right, and give signal. I want to show you something here. Okay. This is a stop sign here. Yes. This is a stop sign there. Yeah. You don't have a stop sign. So you have to go, don't to stop.
Oh, here, right?
If you stop without reason, you fail the test.
Oh,
yes. Okay. That's very important. We will turn right here. So we stop at the white line, full stop as usual. 1, 2, 3.
But I shouldn't say out, huh? 1, 2, 3.
No, of course. You say that in your heart. So then you move a little bit, check left, right, a blind spot, check again, and we go. Okay. So the maximum speed in G2 route in London is 60.
Yes, 60 now?
60, and until we get to the residential area will be 50 as usual. Yes. So after you pass this light, the examiner will tell you change lane to the left whenever safe. So whenever safe, you have to change lane to the left lane, because he will tell you later to turn left at the next light, and he will take you to residential area.
Oh, he is telling the student change your lane to
Yes,
left.
he will tell you. Yes,
okay.
yes. We always drive in the right lane. In the road test, we always drive in the right lane, unless the examiner tell you change lane. So when you turn right, you turn to the closest lane and stay in the closest lane. When you turn left, you turn to the closest lane, and then whenever safe, you change lane to the right lane, because you must drive in the right lane. So in that case, the examiner will not tell you change lane when you turn left at the light. You turn to the closest lane, the left lane, then whenever safe, you change to the right lane. That is very important.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yes.
Sir. Thank you.
And that is, by the way, is not a dangerous action, but you have to do it. If you don't do it, you lose
So
points.
this is 60.
60. So whenever safe, change lane to the left.
I need to reach 60.
60. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and we go straight. And we stop.
Yes, because I'm in the exam.
The exam.
If I'm not in the exam,
You have to stop us.
yeah.
So as we know, the yellow light, if you can stop, stop. If you can't, go.
Yeah, if it is safe, right?
If it is safe,
Yeah.
so that doesn't mean we must stop. If it is safe, stop. So we continue straight. Speed 60 always. And the next light, actually not this one, the other one, at Exeter. At Exeter Road, we will turn left.
There are two lanes, right?
Two lanes.
Yeah.
Stay in the right lane.
Oh, it's
Yes.
better, right?
It's better. Yes. So turn left at the light.
I give my
Signal,
signal.
a blind spot.
This lane.
This lane.
Yeah, okay. But there is a two lanes that I need to know. This lane is turning wide.
Yes, wide, exactly.
This, okay.
So, and this is a new intersection. You see, it is
Yeah.
really they have good actually
Good work here.
work here. And so when you turn left now, the speed is still 60. And before you turn, when you start turning, you have to check the blind spot. Don't forget, a blind spot is the most important thing in the road test. If you don't check a blind spot 4 times, you fail the test.
How is the examiner? They are strict.
No. The examiner here really, they are like let's say a new generation.
Yeah.
Yes, they are young people.
Oh,
they also
that's great.
nice actually. Yes.
That's great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So don't worry about
Okay,
that.
guys, London is a good place to take
Good
exam
place,
then.
really, yes.
Check blind side, check
Blind
blind, check
spots.
that. This is turning a little bit wider here.
Yes.
Still 60. Oh,
Still 60.
then turn up my
This is
60.
signal sign. Sorry.
This road is existing, right? Yeah.
Exeter.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
So we check the 3 mirrors every 10 seconds, every while, always.
Check the speed as well.
The speed, a ±5 always. At the light, turn right. So now we will enter the
Residential.
residential area, and usually the speed here is 40 because it is a school zone actually.
School area.
Yes, school area.
I need to go 40.
And turn right here.
Thank God I didn't go so much 40.
Okay. You will drive in those crescents like this one or maybe another one, and here you will do the stuff,
Pull over.
parallel parking,
Okay, everything.
everything.
So we can do pull over here.
Yes, the 3-point turn, downhill uphill parking.
So I pull over here in front of the driveway. Now we're gonna do 3-point turn.
A 3-point turn.
Full left, right?
Checking.
Check blind spot and go this side before.
The observation is very important in a 3-point turn.
Yeah, before the touching the
Yes.
curb and stop. Right signal, reverse, hand over, hand fast, and looking to the back. Half of the way I stop, change the gear first, left signal, look this side, and
Okay. Let's do
Parallel
parallel
park.
parking with this car.
okay. You can teach your technique, sir.
Signal a blind spot. We stop back to back, always with the car.
Okay, so
Park back to
I
back.
see the back
Yes,
of the
almost
light.
So we turn the steering one right.
All right.
One right, not all the way, because all the way will make your angle is very sharp, will be hard. So only one.
One.
Okay, we move back until 45 degree and stop. This is almost.
This is
40.
my 45 degree.
Recover the steering.
And then I can see the light as
the
well.
light
yeah.
as well.
And make
Recover.
one left.
One left.
Also recover, okay?
So move back. When you are close to the curb, we turn all the way left.
Yeah. So we can say that the small mirror, you
Small
can the
mirror.
triangle over there,
Yes.
small mirror, triangle, then full left.
Then
It's almost same technique, yeah. Okay. Then straighten the wheel,
and
park,
and
and brake.
and handle.
If I'm a little bit far, I can move
You
forward
can
a little
adjust
bit.
the car.
Yeah. Go
And
in.
then we,
So do I need to go back? If I'm good,
if you are good, yes.
yeah,
If
I
you
don't
go.
need to. Check blind spot. So they ask downhill, uphill parking.
Yes, they ask.
Okay, let's do
So pull over.
pull over. Downhill parking. Let's do
Downhill
down.
parking.
Here in London, they are asking you need to touch the curb or not.
Yes, you have. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Okay,
yes,
here
yes,
London,
Yes.
you need to touch the curb,
the curb.
downhill with the curb, park and brake.
Yes.
In some place they don't ask, some place they ask.
Yes,
Yeah.
it depends maybe on the examiner.
Yes,
as well,
different
yes.
examiner. So I touch the curb. So I need to go back a little bit. Drive. Mirror signal. Shoulder check.
And then,
Then go. So this is downhill.
yes.
And after that, they can ask the uphill, right?
Uphill maybe,
Yeah.
yes.
Exam is done.
Done.
Going back to the drive test.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
It's so easy as you see.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
But easy, many people are failing. For us, so easy.
Oh, maybe, yes. So,
There we stop.
2, 3.
Three. I think this road is a bit busy. I can creep up a little bit to see right side as well. At the traffic light.
Turn left.
Turn.
Yes. So, when you turn left here, the speed is 60. It's very important.
So I need to change.
Yes, when you turn left, you turn to the closest lane, and then whenever safe, you change to the right lane. The examiner will not tell you that. You have to do it by yourself.
Otherwise, you will lose point.
Yeah, yes, you will lose point if you don't do it.
There's only one exam road for G2, right?
One Lord.
Oh, okay. So I'm going 40 because of the cars.
So if it is busy, just follow the traffic. And at the light ahead, you will turn right at Exeter Road. Sorry, this is Exeter Wellington.
Wellington Road, right?
Yes, Wellington.
One of the famous roads, Wellington, right?
Yes, famous roads. It connects the South London with downtown.
Yeah.
Yes.
But London, inside London, there is no expressway, right?
No.
Yeah, and we have Windsor.
Windsor.
Yeah, we have expressway. It's making so easy traffic. Yeah. That's why I don't like London traffic. I check blind spot.
So light is green.
Yeah,
There's no
right.
pedestrian.
Yeah.
And here you go. Okay, here is very important. Stay in your lane, the right lane.
Yeah.
The examiner will tell you change lane twice.
Should we go Windsor?
Not now. So,
Oh, but this 60.
60s.
I
Fail?
I fail. Yellow. I fail again. But I'm too close.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, change lane twice. Whenever safe.
The examiner's gonna tell, right?
Yes, he will tell you change lane twice.
Wow.
Yes.
Guys, we were talking. I didn't look at the speed. Sorry about that. But you guys keep checking the speed all the time.
Of course.
So at the light turn left.
No. After you pass the light,
Okay.
we will turn left to the road test center. So speed limits, we can drive a ±5, right? Or is different in?
Right now,
Yes.
they are so strict for speed.
Yes.
Yeah, right now, some examiner can fail you in the 5.
Oh.
Yeah, some examiner, yeah. 10 points up down, it's fail reason. Yeah, it's better to drive 2-3 up down is better. Yeah, 2-3 up down is better, yeah. So we're gonna go to the left.
We'll turn left.
Oh, it's finish. Yeah, almost
It's
15.
finished, and there's a Tim Horton here, and there is McDonald's here.
Go to Morton.
After you finish and pass,
Yeah.
you can.
Yes,
So,
stop sign
we
here.
turn
So,
right. Full stop.
it's the same place we're gonna
Same
go.
place.
Mm.
1, 2, 3.
So I can park anywhere here, right?
Anywhere, yes.
I can park in the and after that,
Yes.
did I pass?
Yes, of course.
But my speed was high.
He is that speed. It wasn't.
Yes, good,
Like
yeah.
it wasn't too high. Maybe
Yeah.
it was 2 or 3.
No, I think it was
Wow,
70.
more?
Yeah,
70?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
so you fell actually.
Yeah, failed. Yeah, I failed, guys. But this is for you guys. Just showing the exam routes and tips and tricks. And thank you guys for watching. This is the London exam routes. Thank you, our instructor in London, Mr. Esar. So, as I mentioned in the earlier, if you guys need any help here in London, Ontario, and he is ready to help you guys to teach you and show the exam routes. Thank you. Do you want to
Of
add
course.
anything?
You are welcome. The road test in London is really easy. When you book your road test, actually, that in general is better to don't book in the rush hour, which is like between 7 and 9 or 3 to 6. Book around 11, 12. That is the best.
Yeah, 10,
time.
11, 12.
Yes,
Yeah.
the best time. Yes.
Please, guys,
So-
subscribe
And good luck.
and then like our videos. Good luck for your exam, and write your comment as well, please.
Yes.
See you in the next video.